Legend say Happy Mother's Day.
How you wanting it?
So cute.
The gift of motherhood, being able to teach our children teamwork.
Yay!
Oh, wait, keep going. All right, I did the holes. Get the car out the hole and put the plant in there. Shake it. Turn it upside down. Now pick the plant up and put it in the hole. One hole. Good job. All right, you did it. Pick it up. Put it in the other hole.
Put it in the other hole.
And yes. Stand it up. Stand it up tall. Yeah, don't be scared. Pick it up with your both hands. Girl, don't be scared. All right, come on. You got another one, 2 more. One got to go right here.
I gotta be too much.
Pick it up. Mother's Day 2022. Blessings. Amen. But get this one first. No, that one we ain't doing that one yet. Maya do that one.
Yay!
Good job, my baby. You're doing such a great job. All right.
The red
You
one.
got it. All right, put it in there and say Happy Mother's Day. Say Happy Mother's Day.
How you wanting it?
So cute. All right, time to go get the bell peppers and the tomatoes. Yes, say bell peppers. Okay, reach over there. You can put your feet right there and push it over. Yeah. Around the plant. Don't be scared of dirt. Dirt ain't never hurt nobody. Oh, don't fall in there now. Good job. See, let's do this for a living. Maya, you got to join the program. Work for your mama. Amen. Woo, 2 hands. This is such a cute picture.
Yay!
Oh, wait. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't get excited. Too excited.
Don't you?
Good job. What you say, Legend? You ain't done. Y'all got to keep going. You got 2 more plants.
Friends. 2 more.
Right in the hole. Kids always taking flowers off the plants.
Ow!
Mother's Day planting finished. Clean up. I got a few plants right there. Need some mulch. But I ain't finished with that back there, but it looks much better.
Happy Mother's Day to everyone. I spent my Mother's Day doing what I absolutely love with my favorite son, the legend, my legend. Share him with you all. See you soon. Bye-bye.